students. Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain about solubility of the substance. Okay. Now see that because okay, what is solubility? Solubility in a liquid in a peculiar property of the substance. This is salt. This one is chalk powder. Okay. The property of the substance dissolving in the other is called solubility. What is that? Now I add salt. The property of the substance dissolving in the other is called solubility. This is also a chemical change. Now see this water. Yeah, this is a salt water. This is a salt water, isn't it? If you add sugar, that is a sugar water. That also dissolving in water, isn't it? Okay. What I said, any substances dissolving in water said to be a soluble. Now I take that chalk powder and add it. The chalk powder dissolved in water. See that? Wait a minute. You see that? Here, see here, the bottom settle down, isn't it? Okay, so do not dissolve in water. If a substance do not dissolving means it is said to be insoluble. Okay, children, I hope you understand. This one is soluble water. This one is insoluble. Here you add salt. Here you add what? Chalk powder. See this? The bottom settle down, isn't it? So, I repeat once again, children. Any substances dissolving in water said to be soluble. Same way, any substances do not dissolving in water, it is called insoluble. Do not dissolving in water is called insoluble. I hope you understood. Okay. Now see that. This is a chemical change, I say. So what is solubility of the substance? We add salt, we add chalk powder, isn't it? Okay. Now see, solute, solvent. Solute, solvent. We are adding the sugar or salt. This is a solute. This water is a solvent. Water is a solvent. Now see, solute means the substance which gets dissolved is called solute. Example, salt, sugar. Solvent, anything that dissolves a solute, that is called solvent. Example, water, kerosene, petrol and all. Now solution. See, solution. Solution means what? Both mixed together, isn't it? Okay, when a solute dissolves in a solvent, what solution is formed? Solution is formed. Okay, children? Okay, now let us see solubility of solids in water. Solubilities of solids in water. Now, most of the solids dissolve in water. Example, sugar, salt, baking powder, washing soda, soap and all. Some of the solids that dissolves in water to form These are settled down, isn't it? Solids like chalk powder, sand particles, mud, these do not dissolve in water. They can be separated by using a filter paper. How will you do this one? You take a filter paper, you keep it the next bowl, you pour it and filter the liquid. Now I pour down. You take a filter paper. I don't have now filter paper. Filter it. Now see this one. Settle down now. Separated by using a filter paper. This is a solubility of solids in water. I hope you understood, children. Today's homework, lesson 2, book page number 118 to 122. 22. Read 2 times. Okay, bye. Thank you.